Good evening, everybody. Coast to coast, Douglas Edwards reporting. At Cape Canaveral, a dull thud heard round the world. In Moscow, a startling protest from Nikita Khrushchev. In Atlantic City, the Teamsters get the axe. Those and other stories in just a moment. Tonight, brought to you by Viceroy Cigarettes.
Only Viceroy gives you 20,000 filter traps for that smoother taste. Get Viceroy. Get 20,000 filter traps in every tip.
They pushed the button at Cape Canaveral today, and 2 seconds later, America's hopes for launching a satellite into space this month went up in searing sheets of smoke and flame. CBS News correspondent Charles Von Fremd was on the scene as 0 hour arrived.
This is Charles Von Fremd reporting from Cape Canaveral. Reporters and photographers have gathered here throughout the night and early morning. Now it is almost noon. We expect the Project Vanguard missile carrying the first United States Earth satellite to be launched momentarily. Our telescopic lens focused on the Vanguard launching tower 4 miles away. The Vanguard firing pad is the launching tower to the left of the telephone pole. And there she goes. The Vanguard missile is in the air. We see a tremendous cloud of flame. And is the missile up there? I don't see it. I think the launching has been unsuccessful. There's no trace of the missile in the sky. Just a huge black cloud of smoke. And something went wrong on the launching pad, probably in the first stage, whose job it is to lift the three-stage missile into the air. There's no trace of the missile. There's a sigh of disappointment through the crowd of observers here. The black smoke still hangs over Cape Canaveral, but our first attempt to launch an Earth satellite has apparently ended in failure. The missile was designed to carry the 6-pound baby moon up some 300 miles into the sky and attempt to put it in orbit. But that apparently will not happen on this day at 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time at Cape Canaveral. The attempt to launch the Vanguard missile with the Earth satellite has ended in failure. Just a cloud of black smoke now drifting off over the horizon. That's the report from Cape Canaveral. Now back to CBS News in New York.
In Washington, the Pentagon said it would probably be about 30 days before another try. In Gettysburg, President Eisenhower expressed his disappointment and asked for a full report. Other reaction at home and abroad in just a moment after a word to smokers about Viceroy cigarettes.